Hey curlfriends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get these gorgeous summer beach waves. My trick to keep my hair untangled is to always start in 4 parts. I'll be placing all of the products that I used in this video in the description box below. Let's get started. I like to keep my hair just a little damp before I blow dry it. And I always like to keep my hair as detangled as possible. I work in smaller sections and apply heat protectant on my hair. Then detangle it some more. The settings that I use on my Andis blow dryer are low and warm. Blow drying my hair in smaller sections definitely helps my hair stay detangled and is easier for me to work with since I have so much hair. Looking like young Simba out here. My next step is going to be parting my hair with my big tooth comb. I'm going to put 3 parts of my hair for 4 cornrows. This is, to me, by far the hardest part of the whole process. I couldn't make a straight part if my life depended on it. I'm placing just a little bit of argan oil on my scalp to keep it moisturized. And as always, you want to keep your hair as tangled as possible throughout the whole process. Scarf that baby up and go to sleep. So, I usually keep my cornrows in for at least a day or 2. Put a nice little baseball cap on it, keep it moving for the weekend so that by Monday, my cornrows will have been in long enough for my hair to set and keep the style even after unraveling. I take a little bit of my argan oil as well as my hair gloss and massage it into my hair. And then unravel these bad boys. The reason why I only do 4 cornrows and place minimal product in my hair is because it gives so much more volume than doing smaller cornrows and weighing your hair down with a lot of product. Just the best beach wave result I can get. And this is with the middle part. I do like the middle part, but if you guys know me, you know I just love a side part. And please don't mind the makeup. I have not put on my powder yet, so don't judge me. This is a judgment-free zone. And voila! Gorgeous summer beach wave. And last step, of course, is to lay those baby hairs down. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks, curlfriends.